Pellegrino Park is the last stop. All passengers must exit the train.
After the last stop?
Hey, let's find out.
Yeah. Where are we?
It looks like an abandoned subway station.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see my abandoned subway station. Oh no! You two must be the lucky ones who found the golden tickets!
Our Metro cards?
Who are you? The name's Wonka. Brian Wonka.
This place is amazing!
Ever since I was tossed from a moving subway car as a baby, I lived here, underground, inside these tunnels, and built this.
Look, Jim! A chocolate river!
Oh, wow!
No! That's
Hey, look! Those look just like Oompa Loompas!
Those are my rat parents.
Mr. Wonka, what's this thing?
Oh, wow.
That's also feces. Come, lick this wall with me.
Okay.
It's delicious.
It tastes like candy.
Not quite.
Mine tastes like a roast beef dinner.
Wrong again. It's black mold. And also, feces.
Just lick the fucking wall.
Come along, children. There's more to see.
Okay.
Nice.
Wow! What are these?
These are parts I yanked off of subway cars. Silly little things like loose screws, wheels, and brake pads.
Oh, wait a minute. You mean you pull all these parts off of old, broken down subway cars, right?
Yeah.
Nope.
That's
I built a fantastical life here, but I'm not going to live forever, so I'm giving it all to you.
Thank you.
I'm pretty sure this is public property.
Who are you? What is this place?
Show me your golden ticket.
Oh no! I know you! You're Brian Wonka!
No ticket. You're here to steal my secrets.
No, please! No! No!
That's why you never enter the subway system without a valid Metro card. It's
It's the law!